Today we are going to see our first chapter, Introduction to Computers. Computers are multi-purpose machine that can be used to solve variety of problem in a different fields. Computers have changed the way we live, work and communicate. Computers are useful in industries, government, education, research as well as entertainment sectors. Computers are applicable everywhere. That's why computer is called multi-purpose machine. Students, nowadays computer is available in every sector, in education department, in government department, in research and development department, in entertainment department. Okay, so there are various use of computer for the different purpose. They are using computers. We'll see it in detail in the next slide. Now, working of computer. This is a working flow diagram of a computer. Just like calculator calculates, driver drives, and painter paints, computer computes. The computing here is not restricted to only mathematical computing, but to a variety of logic-based tasks. One only need to systematically design step-by-step clear guidance for the task to be solved. These guidelines generally written in a simple English language are called the algorithm. Okay, student, means what? Calculator calculates, driver drives, and painter paints. Computer computes. Okay, this computation जो कैलकुलेशन है, कंप्यूटेशन इज़ नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड ओनली फॉर द लाइक मैथमेटिकल. वो सिर्फ मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन के लिए यूज़ होता है ऐसा नहीं है. उसके अंदर हम बहुत सारे अलग अलग लॉजिकली टास्क भी हम वहाँ पे एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं और रन करा सकते हैं. बस जो वैल्यूएबल चीज़ है वो है कि प्रॉपर इनपुट. मीन्स प्रॉपर इनपुट इज गिव यू अ प्रॉपर आउटपुट. अगर हम प्रॉपर इंस्ट्रक्शन देंगे एक प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट में, जैसे कि जिसे हम अल्गोरिदम बोलते हैं. अभी कंप्यूटर से हमें कुछ काम कराना है तो उसके लिए एक स्पेसिफिक अल्गोरिदम रेडी करना पड़ता है. वो अगर अल्गोरिदम आप प्रॉपर लिखोगे तो आप कोई भी पर्टिकुलर टास्क कंप्यूटर से करा सकते हो. ओके, सो लेट्स सी, दिस इज़ अ बेसिक flow of computer. The set of data and instruction provided by user to the computer is called an input. Computer processes this input and present result to the user. The result is called an output. Okay, input क्या है? यूज़र से जो भी हमें इनपुट मिलता है एज अ डेटा, एज ए इंफॉर्मेशन, उसको हम इनपुट कंसिडर करते हैं. वो कंप्यूटर उसे इनपुट कंसिडर करता है, फिर उसके ऊपर वो अल्गोरिदम वगैरह अप्लाई करता है, वो ट्राई करता है उस टास्क को परफॉर्म करने के लिए जो भी प्रोसेस होता है वो अप्लाई प्रोसेस करता है और फिर उसको एक डिज़ायर आउटपुट देता है यूज़र को. तो ये पूरा फ्लो ऐसे काम करता है. आउटपुट हमेशा डिपेंड करता है इनपुट पे. अगर आप इनपुट प्रॉपर दोगे, डेटा मतलब इनपुट डेटा, फॉर एग्जांपल टेक एग्जांपल, अगर मुझे एडिशन ऑफ 2 नंबर करना है, ठीक है, अगर मैं फॉर एग्जांपल A=10, देन प्रोसेसिंग में अगर एडिशन वाला सिलेक्टेड है तो वो प्रोसेसिंग का प्लस सिंबल है. देन आफ्टर आउटपुट क्या आएगा? A+B ऐसे करके जो भी C. बट ऐसा नहीं होगा कि अगर मैंने A+B इनपुट दिया और मुझे आउटपुट माइनस में मिलेगा, या A+B के जगह पे वो ऑटोमेटिकली माइनस या डिवीज़न या मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देगा. दिस इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल इन अ कंप्यूटर. ओके, बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑलवेज गिव आउटपुट एक्यूरेटली. 100% एक्यूरेसी इज़ देयर ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर, बिकॉज अगर जो भी आप इनपुट दोगे उस पर ही हमेशा आउटपुट डिपेंड करेगा. सो ऑलवेज we have to give a proper and correct input to the computer. Okay, computer can remember this data instruction and calculate result for a future use by storing the detail in memory. This is a simple flow working of a computer. Now let's see uses of computers in a different areas, like ticket reservation, bank operations, inventory management and manufacturing support, entertainments and such as a playing game, composing music and editing movies, teaching, financial accounting, composing newspaper, writing letters, books, etc. Space application, robotics, email and chatting, website development, etc. So these are the various field where computer is useful, and we all know it very well. Like for ticket reservation, we are used to like using a booking tickets online with the help of mobile nowadays, or normally we are using with the help of computer also. Then bank operations, obviously bankers nowadays use computers for their accounting task, accounting purpose. It's become more easier to maintain all database. It's become more easier to maintain all transaction, to keeping a data and information of each and every customer. So it's become easy to the bank to maintain all this kind of work. Then inventory management and manufacturing support, this is also useful. uh, Sorry. In a company, sorry, in company organization, they are using computers for various purpose. Like nowadays most of the companies are using like CRM software or ERP software. It is what it is, a one type of software package. They gives all solution regarding organization or regarding industries or company. Like we can easily maintain our stock, we can easily check our stock, then details of sales, purchase detail, everything, accounting detail, etc. All this thing is easily done by a computer, with the help of computer in organization. Teaching, in a teaching sector, it is also useful. Like nowadays teachers are taking smart classes and Zoom classes, and so many different way we are using in a teaching sector also. Next, financial accounting, then composing newspaper, writing letter, books, etc. Now like paper newspaper, hard copy of newspaper, then manually writing letters are becoming old fashioned, right? So nowadays we all are using like a email to send. If we want to send some letters or some information, we are using email, and we are using different application also in our smartphone. So this is also a use of computer. Then space application, most of the space researcher are using different kind of supercomputer which help them to research in a specific purpose. Then robotics are the best example of computer usage. Then email chatting, then website development, etc. If you want to develop a website, or if you want to develop a desktop software or anything, that time also we have to use a computer. Okay. Now characteristics of computer. See, computer says I am fast, I am automatic, I am programmable, I can remember stuff for a long, I am accurate. So these are the characteristics of computer, or you can say it is the advantages of computer. Let's see one by one. Speed. A computer works with a much higher speed and accuracy compared to human while performing mathematical calculation. Computers can process millions of instruction per second. The time taken by computers for their operation is microsecond and nanoseconds. Okay, so computer is having a superb speed of calculating things, of doing a particular task. Okay, so that's why we are calling it is a speed process. Then accuracy. Computers perform calculation with 100% accuracy. Okay, this is also true. If we provide a proper accurate input to the computer, it will obviously give us a accurate result or output. So there is a very less chance of, or none of the chances are there to make a mistake by a computer. Okay, then versatility. Versatility refers to the capability of a computer to perform a different kind of works with the same accuracy and efficiency. Okay, this is meaning like नॉर्मली क्या होता है, ह्यूमन बींग्स को हम एक ही काम अगर बार बार कराते हैं सेम चीज़, तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि उसका रिज़ल्ट हमेशा सेम ही आए. कुछ चीज़ें डिपेंड करती है उसकी एक्यूरेसी पे, उसकी एफिशिएंसी पे, उसका कितना एफर्ट है, उसका कितना इंटरेस्ट है, ये सब चीज़ें मैटर करती है अगर हम किसी ह्यूमन को पर्टिकुलर टास्क देते हैं या कैलकुलेशन देते हैं. ओके, एक सिंपल एग्जांपल, अगर हम किसी एम्प्लॉय को या किसी स्टूडेंट को बोलते हैं कि आप ये पर्टिकुलर मैथमेटिकल सम परफॉर्म करो और मैं 1000 टाइम परफॉर्म करने को दूँ, एक ही चीज़ कैलकुलेशन करने को दूँ, तो मे बी चांसेस है कि मिस्टेक हो सकता है वो कंफर्टेबल ना हो सकता है वो बोर्ड हो गया हो। तो ऐसे चीज़ें भी इफेक्ट करती ह्यूमन को, बट कंप्यूटर को ऐसी कुछ भी इफेक्ट नहीं होता है। तो कंप्यूटर हमेशा सेम रिजल्ट देने के लिए कैपेबल है, हमेशा प्रॉपर आउटपुट देने के लिए कैपेबल है। ओके। Now reliability. A computer is reliable as it gives consistent result for similar set of data. That is, if we give same set of input any number of times, we will get the same result. Correct? ऐसा ही है कि अगर हम कंप्यूटर को सेम डेटा इनपुट देंगे तो वो चाहे 1000 टाइम भी आप सेम टास्क कराओगे पर वो रिजल्ट आपको सेम ही देगा, बिकॉज वो कभी भी बोर नहीं होता है। क्लियर? देन ऑटोमेशन. कंप्यूटर परफॉर्म्स ऑल दी टास्क ऑटोमेटिकली. That is, it performs task without manual intervention. Computer perform all the task automatically. That we all know, it is a machine, it is an automatic machine. Once we give a input to the computer, it will automatically calculate, it will automatically perform or process, then after it will give the output. Now memory. A computer has a built-in memory called primary memory, where it stores data, and secondary storage are removable device such as a CDs, pen drive, etc., which are also used to store data. Okay, so computer having a two types of memory, like a primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is like a main memory in which data are stored in the computer. It is used for a storage purpose to saving your data, and there are some secondary memories like removable memories are also available, like a pen drive, CDs, etc. Okay, let's see some types of computer. So in this image you can see like like simple computer, desktop computer is there, laptop is there, palm top is there, tablet is there, then mobile watch, smart watches like computers are also available, then wearable computers are also available. Okay, like personal computer, laptop computer, handheld computer, tablet computer, and wearable computer. Now computers have a two main parts. Computer divided into two main parts: computer hardware and computer software. Let's see in detail. Sorry. What is computer hardware? Computer hardware is the physical part of the computer system, the machinery and equipment. Okay, computer hardware क्या है? वो जो भी physical part है कंप्यूटर का वो सारे hardware consider होते हैं, जिसको आप टच कर सकते हो, टच कर सकते हो, फील कर सकते हो, like mouse, keyboard, etc., monitor, etc. Part of this computer you can touch and feel. Okay, so you have to remember more about hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer. Computer hardware is any part of the computer that we can touch. These are the primary electronic devices used to build up the computer. Hardware cannot perform any task without software. And example of hardware in a computer are the processor, memory devices, monitor, printer, keyboard, mouse, central units, etc. सो वॉट हार्डवेयर क्या है? वो एक फिजिकल डिवाइस है जिसको आप टच कर सकते हो, देख सकते हो, फील कर सकते हो, लाइक आपका CPU, माउस, कीबोर्ड, मॉनिटर, एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है. और एक और चीज़ जो हमारा हार्डवेयर वो काम करता है हमेशा सॉफ्टवेयर पे डिपेंड रहता है. सॉफ्टवेयर, विदाउट सॉफ्टवेयर हार्डवेयर किसी काम का नहीं है. हम हार्डवेयर को स्टार्ट करने के लिए एक सॉफ्टवेयर काम करता है. वैसे ही लाइक सॉफ्टवेयर भी कहीं ना कहीं हार्डवेयर पे डिपेंड होता है. अगर जैसे कि हम हार्डवेयर डिवाइस नहीं रहेगा तो सॉफ्टवेयर काम नहीं करेगा, वैसे ही सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं रहेगा तो हार्डवेयर काम नहीं करेगा. तो वो एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है. इट प्लेज एन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. ओके, लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल ऑफ हार्डवेयर. मॉनिटर, CPU, कीबोर्ड. ओके, मॉनिटर जो हम यूज़ करते हैं नॉर्मली इट इज़ आउटपुट डिवाइसेस जो TV like a scene used to show pictures and word. CPU, it is a main part of your computer, central processing unit. This is where most of the computers calculation take place. In term of computing power, the CPU is the most important element of a computer system. Then keyboard, this device is used to type information into the computer and contain the number like 0 to 1 and many other keys. It is like input devices. Okay, so monitor is one type of output devices. CPU is a hardware, right? Then keyboard is considered as input devices, and all are the example of hardware devices. Okay, then more about hardware like mouse, printer, image scanner. Okay, mouse, printer, image scanner. Next, what is computer software? sorry, computer software are programs that tell the computer what to do. Okay, now you got what is software. Software is a one type of program, one type of code. Okay, it tells hardware what to do. Okay. Computer software is a set of instruction that tells a computer exactly what to do. Software is a collection of instruction, procedures, documentation that perform different tasks on a computer system. We can say computer software is a programming code executed on a computer processor. Okay, the code can be machine level code or the code written for the operating system. Example softwares are like example of some softwares are MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Chrome, Photoshop, MS SQL, etc. or MySQL, etc. Okay, so now this software divide in mainly two parts: software, system software and application software. What are the system software? We all know like operating system are the main software. Operating system is known as a system software. Without operating system your computer will not start. Okay, so it is a main software. Like Ubuntu, Windows, iOS and many other operating system also available in market. Okay, then application software means it is a one type of software which is installed later on after computer start. As per your requirement we can install that. For example, Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Photoshop software, any other game, all this come in a application software. Okay, next this is the last, like a firmware. What is firmware? A software instruction many times come integrated along with hardware. Since such software is closely coupled with hardware, it is known as a firmware. Okay. What is a firmware? Firmware is also one type of software which is already integrated with some particular hardware devices. Means for using that particular hardware device, that software is mandatory and it is inbuilt or by default stored in that devices. Okay, it is a low type of software which is limited use. For example, let's take an example of television. Remote control and television both are the different devices, but it work together. We press like key of start TV, then change the navigation keys like changing the channels, volume key. So at the distance level also that remote is working. How it is working? It is because of the firmware software. In a television chip there is some firmware software is already installed. Okay, the software embedded with a hardware usually facilitate use and application of the hardware. It also provide utility to work with other hardware and communicate data when needed. Usually such firmware are developed by the hardware manufacturing company and provide free when one purchase the hardware. Usually such firmware are developed by the hardware manufacturing company and provide free when one purchase the hardware. Okay, तो नॉर्मली ये जो भी हार्डवेयर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज होती है, लाइक अभी जो फॉर एग्जांपल वॉशिंग मशीन बनाने वाली कंपनी है, टेलीविज़न बनाने वाली कंपनी, तो ये लोग बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर फ्री में प्रोवाइड करते हैं जो ऑलरेडी सिस्टम में इंस्टॉल्ड होता है. जैसे कि हम एग्जांपल लेते हैं वॉशिंग मशीन, ट्रैफिक लाइट, डिजिटल कैमरा, माइक्रो ओवन एक्सेट्रा. ओके, जैसे कि वॉशिंग मशीन का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. अभी वॉशिंग मशीन कैसा, स्मार्ट वॉशिंग मशीन कैसे होता है कि उसमें हम टाइमर सेट कर दे तो ऑटोमेटिकली कुछ टाइम के बाद वो बंद हो जाता है. ओके, फिर तो वो कैसे बंद हो जाता है, वो एक्चुअली में कैसे वर्क करता है, बिकॉज उसके अंदर कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम किया हुआ है, इंस्टॉल्ड है. उस टाइप ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर को हम बोलते हैं फर्मवेयर. ओके, क्लियर स्टूडेंट? तो थियरिटिकली हमें बुक्स में और पढ़ लेना है. कुछ भी डाउट हो तो आप हम डाउट सेशन में पूछेंगे. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.